What is up, guys? Welcome back to Average Mike, and today we got a kids project going on. We're gonna build ourselves what?
Train table.
A train table for our trains, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Welcome back, guys. I am just another Average Mike, and today, like I said, like the kids said, we're gonna build ourselves a train table. So we kind of carved ourselves a little spot in the corner here out of this disaster of a toy room basement. And basically, we have our wood set up. I already kind of cut the length. I still have to do some more, but this will be the frame. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna build ourselves a frame. It's gonna be L-shaped, right, guys? Oh, that hurt. It's gonna be L-shaped. Gonna go around here, and basically, we'll build ourselves a frame, and then we'll build the top, and then we'll put some on top. So why don't we get to work? You guys ready?
Yeah. No.
Get some. All right, let's get our drills and screws and start putting stuff together. Alright, guys, so we have our platform built underneath. We have to put the tops on. So we have to build like almost like a wall. How you would build like a standard wall for both sides here. These are both 8 foot, 8 foot, 8 foot. So then, actually these are a little bit shorter. But we're gonna do that 8 foot, 8 foot, and then we can put our MDF board down. So let's get to, here's a pile of wood here. Let's get to building those tables, and then we can look at putting some MDF board down. Alright guys, so now we have this all complete. Now we're just ready for some MDF board. And see if we can drag that down and install that in place, or at least set it on top. That way we have a nice surface for our train platform here. And then we'll have to screw that down, and then we'll get to actually laying down some track, some grass, some track, and some accessories. Get it all wired up. Should be pretty cool. All right, so let's get this MDF board down, and we'll get that in place. All right, guys, we're back here another day. I have my MDF board here. So what I came to find out, which was didn't make any sense to me, although it will help me in another project. This MDF board comes, typical boards here come 48 by 96 or 4 foot by 8 foot. These boards for some reason are 49 inches, which is 1 inch over, and then 97 inches, which is also 1 inch over. So since I made the frame of the train table to fit, you know, a normal standard size sheet, I'm gonna have to rip an inch off here and actually rip a little bit more than an inch off, because we weren't quite 96 inches down there, so a little bit more off the end. So I, instead of using a table saw and kind of having my wife help me, and it probably wouldn't have been a perfect cut, I'm gonna I used a couple clamps. I know they're not wood clamps, but they'll work, and a piece of wood to kind of guide the circular saw down. You just have to measure I've already pre-measured the distance between the edge of the guide here and the blade, and then the inch, added the inch that I need to take off. Set my clamps up, we should be good to go. We'll cut this side, and then we have another piece where we have to cut the length and the width of that as well. So let's get to cutting this, and we can bring this down and lay it on top. All right, now these are all cut. Let's go ahead and get these. Actually, that one's not going, but this one and this guy down in the basement. And then we get some trains on them. All right, as you can see, we got these wood. I did screw up. Not perfect. I had a brain fart, and I cut this piece in half, thinking I would only need. The original design was half. You know, 8 foot out this way, 8 foot out that way. What's up, man? And so 8 foot. So I figured in my head, I guess this morning I was putting, you know, I had one 8 foot sheet, and then I was only gonna need a 4 foot sheet over here. But that was wrong. As soon as I carried it down, I realized that. So it's no big deal. We'll just screw all this down. And you won't, once we put the green grass over it, you won't even notice. If the green grass is coming. So, all right, so let's go ahead. I got the drill bit. I got my gun. I got my screws. They're drywall screws, but they will absolutely work for what we need. They're the perfect length. And let's go ahead and screw all these boards down. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. We are all tacked down here. We are waiting on, we have some grass mat to go down before we put the trains down. So we'll have to wait till next time. So if you like this video, if you like trains, you know, we're definitely going to be focusing more on, you know, getting our tracks down. Maybe we'll get some stuff for Christmas to help fill this platform up. Get some decorations. We have tons of stuff already. So the next video we'll be displaying that, and then we can just build on from there. It should be pretty cool. Kids will love it. So until then, if you like this video, if you want to catch more trains, or if we have car rebuilds or kitchen remodels, or do DIY projects or what have you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications. Also, we did hit 900 subscribers, so we will be doing a giveaway. So make sure you comment below on this video so that you can enter to win the next prize that we give away. I don't know what prize that is. So, but if you want to win something as little as an average Mike t-shirt, or maybe even something bigger, I'm not quite sure yet, but I know 1,000 subscribers are absolutely doing something pretty cool. So again, subscribe, comment in this video. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll have you comment on another video to enter to win that one. If you win this one, you can win the next one too. It doesn't matter. We don't hold anybody back. So, but anyway, turn on your post notifications, subscribe, like, follow us on Instagram, average_Mike_channel, and we'll catch you guys next time. Later.